What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a clean my refrigerator with me because I've been gone from my house for about 3 weeks and it is a hot mess. So sorry, y'all, I was looking at something else, but yeah, it's a hot mess. So I'm gonna show you. I don't have, sorry if the camera's not steady because I don't have my balancer, my stabilizer, but yeah, we're gonna do a refrigerator clean with me. And then later on, this is a spoiler alert just in case anybody wants to see a Sam's Club haul. I'm gonna go to Sam's Club and try to restock my refrigerator. So y'all, let's go. Let me show y'all this atrocious mess. So this is my refrigerator and that's how it's looking. This is just horrible, y'all. I was debating filming this video because it's like, really, girl, this is how you got your refrigerator looking and you got kids? Like, you can't find anything in here. So let's get started. I'm gonna take everything out first, put the stuff back in that is still good. Yeah, so I'm gonna take everything out and I'm gonna put the stuff back in that's still good. And then we're gonna go to Sam's Club. So stay tuned for that in the next video. Okay, almost finished. Uh-oh, baby girl journey's up. Hi. No, Journey. How you getting here so quickly? Don't touch it, okay? Hopefully y'all can still see me. If you can't, I'm gonna just bring it a little closer for a second. But you see down there, that's what I'm trying to clean out now. It was bad when I got home, y'all. Like all these fruit flies, they were all over the kitchen, everywhere. So obviously, my husband didn't clean up any of that. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna finish cleaning out the rest of this, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, guys, I'm back, and y'all see I got it clean. I'm sorry for the little bit of stuff I left in there, but I'm actually over it already. And this is the door. Still got a little bit I need to wipe out down there. I didn't see that until I got on camera. Wonderful. But yeah, so I'm putting the drawers back in now. If I can get them in, I don't know. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am done cleaning out this refrigerator. We got the juices and milk up here. And I'm gonna definitely change this, so I guess I can show y'all later, but I'm done with this part. I cleaned the door out. I put everything back in nicely, or the best way I could, because it's so much stuff in the door. But like, this is our little snack tray, and my kids are in love with cheese and yogurt. Got yogurt over here, and I'm in love with cheese, obviously, so I got more cheese, some Halloween cookies, some little turkey pepperoni so they can make like little mini pizzas and stuff. And my favorite salad is the spinach Dijon salad. Salad. And then we got Journey. Excuse me, Journey. Put it back, baby. Excuse me. And then right here we got all the veggies that were able to that we were able to salvage, because all the rest of them were definitely trash. So now yeah. What? How was the flash on? So yeah, so now this is the end of the clean my refrigerator with me, y'all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe always, and share this video if you can. But yeah, we're gonna head to Sam's Club, so stay tuned for that video. I'll probably post that tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe, please. We got baby Journey in the background again, so I gotta go. Bye.